أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 5971, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anha narrated that once a man came to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked, "Who is more entitled to be treated with the best companionship by me?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "Your mother." Then he said, "Well, who's next?" The Prophet ﷺ replied, "Your mother." The man said again, "Who's next?" The Prophet ﷺ replied again for the third time, "Your mother." The man then asked for the fourth time, "Who's next?" The Prophet ﷺ finally replied, "Your father." So, priority-wise, the mother should be treated the best possible way above all. And of course, the father comes next, but in the fourth position in ranking as compared to the mother. Mom, if I have messed up with you or have hurt you anytime, please forgive me.
What is your opinion? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.